Hi guys, I am Canine Crooner from Austin there, and we're gonna open this squishy surprise, and it's a box, and it has some animals. It's really squishy. Let's open it. Let's open it. Aw, he's so cute! What is this animal? I think it does look like a wolf, I think. Or is it a Persian? Or a purple Persian cat? It does look like a wolf, I think. A purple wolf. He's really squishy. The other squishy that I opened before, I got the kitty cat. It's the orange one. That's a really cute wolf. Keep it. He's really cute. Actually, you can squish it like this. Woo! And I'm going to show you the cat one. And here's the kitty cat that I just opened before, and I didn't make a video on that video. It's really cute. I got this little wolf, or is it a Persian, or a purple Persian cat? So goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a happy Easter, and have a good day. Easter's already passed, so my Easter stuff is in my bed, and some of them in my shelf. Have a good day. Keep all my stuff. Have a good day.